Hi everybody, my name is Linda Pearson and I'm back with the Great Bend Rec Center with another one of our projects to go. I'm really excited. This is the first in our spring series and it's called Let It Snow. It's just super cute, a sled with our snowman, and I went ahead and started it. I have at least 2 coats of white on our snowman. I think it needs that just to have good color, and I really like the light blue. It kind of looks cool and wintry. So as always in your packet you'll have all of these colors with a super nice paintbrush, and we'll also have a smaller paintbrush for the lettering on this project. I really liked the darker color for the sled. I used one color and then some highlights with a lighter brown and then highlights with the black, and then started with some white. And I'm gonna get carried away with little snow everywhere once we get started. So as always, use the colors that you prefer, but this is what we're going to go with today. So I'm going to go ahead and finish the Let It Snow. Get these colors on here so that we can get some white snow going. I think that is just so pretty and adds a lot to the picture. I brought a couple of my trees from my house, and I just happened to have a little snowman, and so I'll just be adding this to that decoration on my dining room table. Just one of the many ideas and things that you can do with this project. As always, it would look great on a door or wherever you have your winter fun going on right now. Finally got rid of all of my Christmas stuff, so that was a good project. We're filming today, and it's amazingly almost 60 degrees out, but it's going to be snowy this week, so this snowy project is just right on target.
This would be a good project to get picked up before Thursday.
Yeah.
You might want to stay home and only paint.
Yeah. Great project for being at home.
You can pick these projects up downtown at the Downtown Rec, and you can enroll online. You don't even have to come in to do that. You do have to come in to pick up the project, but you can pay on our website at greatbendrec.com, or you can call Leanne. She is great, and she can help you over the phone get enrolled in it. Her number is 793-3755, extension 110. Or you can just stop in downtown at 1214 Stone Street. Linda has these all bagged up, I guess, and ready to go. So
yeah, how convenient. Just pop in and we'll have everything ready for you. Okay, so I already have a couple of coats of this pretty light blue on his hat, so we'll be ready to go ahead and put some circles on, or you can decorate it however you want. The circles are just my idea, they're not embedded in there, so you can go with whatever you like. I'm going to try this color of blue and just see what we think about that. I may lean towards more purple even for this guy. But this small paintbrush will be just what you need for filling in those little dots if that's what you want to do. And I just used the end of, actually, my lip gloss for the circles, so whatever size you want to make it would just work fine. We have 2 more fun projects to go coming up, one for St. Patty's Day and then one for Easter. So that would be fun, and you'll have to come back and check out and see what we have going for those projects. Can never have too many decorations for Easter for sure.
Well, and if you're like me, I don't really have anything St. Patrick's Day. Like,
I know.
it always hits before I think, oh, I could have at least put something on my door for it. So.
So I'm going to go ahead and just put some little black circles along his face here. We're going to say that they used coal for his face, his mouth. So of course, if you don't like the black, you could use red or whatever color you think works better. These little portions of his mouth are drawn on this canvas, so you'll have that already done for you. As are the buttons, and thankfully the Let It Snow, so you don't have to do that freehand. Okay, so we have a mouth now and pretty eyes. We'll do a little bit of white on that. And I'm excited about his nose. I'm thinking a really pretty orange for that. I'm going to switch to a little bit bigger brush. And as usual with these canvases, prints, I think it takes a good couple of coats to make it really the color that is outstanding.
It takes a couple coats, but she gives you plenty of paint. So you'll get those paints in the containers, and there should be plenty of paint to do more than one coat on the project you've been given.
For sure. Yep, I'm sure we'll have enough for 2 or 3 coats of paint for you to use, so you'll be all set. And I think I'm going to go with just a little bit darker orange for the center of his hat. I can't imagine that you don't have other snowmen in your house to add this little guy to. I just can't imagine anybody not having snowmen, but I do have a collection of them, so that's just me, but I do like them. They can all be so different and so whimsical or warm. Okay, so that's what I'm thinking so far. Our colors, I think that they go together pretty well. And so I'm going to get ready to do just a little bit of white trim on the buttons and his eyes, and then get carried away with snow on everything. I just think it's begging for snow. Kind of like I have started right here on the top, just a little bit of snow falling down. And so I think we'll go ahead and just get started with that. I think I'll go ahead and use my bigger brush. And I think it's just fun to let it happen, you know, kind of globby. And I'm gonna have a little bit of orange in that still, but that's okay. Go ahead and just put a little bit of snow on the top of our letters. I think this is the fun part, just being able to just kind of do whatever you feel is good. You can do it a lot heavier or a lot lighter, whatever you like. I just think it's kind of fun to have it snowing on everything. I'm gonna go ahead and just put some on the sled. We'll see if I'm this excited about snow in a couple of days when we see how many inches we get. So his eyes need just a little dot here, just a little accent, and maybe just a little bit on his buttons and his mouth. Maybe a little snow sitting on his nose. I've already kind of got lines of white and some of the blue on the back, on the sled, which I think are a good highlight. I really like those. So other than that, what I would do is maybe just a little, already got good white there. And I think with the hat and his body, if you have some of the blue or the orange or some of the colors kind of shine through, it's perfectly fine so that he's not just one color. So everything could use another coat. The dark blue on the hat, or I might go ahead and put purple in with the kit because I kind of think maybe I might like that better. But everything else will be the same. And then I really like to finish it with a Sharpie. I just think it just makes it look so much better. It makes it look finished. Certainly nothing that you have to do, but once you're finished, I would just go around and highlight everything. Highlight our snow here. And the bottom of the sled. Can outline all of the lettering, the whole snowman, as much as you like. And I think you could still just get carried away with more snow on different parts of his hat if you like. Other than that, I think it's just up to you how you want to finish it. The sled could be lighter or it could be darker. Other than that, I think it's just up to you however you want to finish it. Thanks for joining us today.